What's the meaning of bib? Bib. Bib.
Bib. Bib. The term bib has several meanings, depending on the context it is used. In general, a bib can refer to a protective garment worn by infants and young children to protect their clothing while eating or drinking. It can also refer to a patch or piece of cloth worn over the chest, particularly by women, to cover the upper part of the dress or blouse, or as a decoration. Additionally, bib can be a short form of bibliography, a list of books or other works referred to in academic writing. In some dialects, it can also mean to drink or imbibe alcohol.